Howdy there, guys. This is Old Main Productions. I'm here in Woodbine, Maryland tonight. It's about 7:58 p.m. Crossings are going off because we have a loaded coal train, should be through here any second, with an interesting lead locomotive. No, you shouldn't have done that. 836, 853, loaded coal. It's a brand new rebuilt MACe. Now, this train will also be quite interesting in that about a week ago, the CSX coal plant down in Baltimore suffered an explosion. So there will be reduced traffic for coal trains, at least going to Curtis Bay over the next few weeks, so they can repair the damage. Now, not great news for those on the Old Main, but hopefully by the time this video is posted, that'll be long since past. Surprised to even hear there was a coal train today, because a lot of them are getting rerouted to the RF&P subdivision. Because this is N785, I expect this to be combined coal with DPUs, so we will see. In that case, it'll be 200 cars. Completely understand being able to see at night, but I do not appreciate those bright white LEDs. Granted, it makes this train look like it's getting a photo shoot, and it is well deserving of that. Here comes DPU 3029. 3159 and 5323. That's interesting. This is a loaded coal. There's a little bit of snow on top. See, there's very little bit left on the ground. Got about 6 inches of snow 2 days ago. But we had rain all day today. It warmed up, so just about melted. Now, rumor has it there's another coal on the way. Doubt it'll take the Old Main, but has an AC 44 liter. It's always nice. You can see the white mounds on top. That's snow on top of the coal. Most locomotives I've seen on a loaded coal train. Usually I just see about 5. It's combined. This makes me think it's a very long coal train, but then again, there's the end, so I'll have to count and let you know. Have a wonderful night, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that video. It's an interesting catch for sure. Adios.